Every premium product begins where nature and timing meet.
Precision harvesting protects quality from the first second.
Only intact bulbs are allowed to move ahead.
Fresh harvest is secured within minutes. The journey from field to factory begins. Controlled transport preserves freshness over distance. Every shipment enters a tightly managed system. Accuracy is logged before unloading begins. Positioning sets the rhythm of the line. The factory takes control from here.
Scale and control define modern food manufacturing.
Every movement is synchronized for efficiency.
Bulk handling begins without human contact.
Early control prevents downstream loss. Preparation gives way to processing.
Cleaning begins with controlled force. Nothing unwanted moves forward.
Technology replaces guesswork. Only the best earns the next step. The raw form is nearly gone. Efficiency replaces manual labor.
Waste is isolated instantly.
Uniformity drives consistency. Transformation is about to begin.
Shape is reduced for efficiency. Consistency is constantly measured. Preparation ensures even drying. Moisture is carefully removed, not rushed. Stability comes before refinement.
Automation takes over with precision.
Reduction happens in controlled force.
Every micron is monitored. Exposure is eliminated completely.
Volume is controlled with accuracy.
Only exact texture remains.
Consistency defines quality.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Precision precedes approval.
Verification comes before release.
Quality is proven, not assumed.
Stability is confirmed scientifically.
Safety standards are uncompromising.
Authorization unlocks the final stage.
The product earns its identity. Precision reaches the consumer. Identity is sealed permanently.
Volume meets organization. And this is how modern factories produce premium garlic powder from start to finish.